In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Pixma TR8620 printer. So you will see the paper jam port code 1303. So as you can see here. Now the next thing is to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So hold the printer from one end and open this section. Once we open that section, we can see there is a paper jam inside. So we can simply take the paper out. We can slide it and see if anything is left here. If not, we can close it. Now press the ink cartridge chamber door down and close it. Go to the main screen and click OK. So once you will see the main screen on your printer, that means the paper jam is sorted out and now we are ready to use the print. Thanks for watching.